to go to a professional to get your hair washed. But if you are doing it at home, we always want to help you out because we want the hair extensions to last as long as possible. So here's the trick. So if you are blowing your hair at home, make sure you're not applying direct heat to the weft, right? Especially if you have single weft in the top, which most of our clients do. If you have a combination where the double weft, you don't have to worry about the stick, but definitely if for the single weft is where you have to worry. So the goal is not to apply direct heat directly onto the weft, because you will loosen up the microlinks and it will slip faster. So a good motion to do that is you take your blow dryer, rather than going like this, you do it in an angle where heat is going to be there, but it's not going to be directly like this. You see the difference? You do an angle, not like this. And that's the tip, guys. So if you're doing it at home and you're not going to a professional, make sure you have it at an angle, right? Not standing directly, do it on an angle, and that will prevent for the single weft to slip out sooner than what it really needs to. So if you have any questions, leave us an email and you can give us a call and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. Hope you guys have an amazing day. Bye.